Hi friends, welcome to Physics Coach. Myself Ankit. So in this question, just read the question. A potentiometer wire of PQ of 1 meter length is connected. So this PQ wire is having potentiometer wire, and this is having length. How much? 1 meter. Clear? So this length is 1 meter. Let me draw 1 meter. 1 meter length. Clear? Another cell E2 of EMF 1.02 volt. E2, where is E2? Let's see the figure. This E2 and this is 1.02 volt. Clear? Is connected with a resistance R and switch is as shown in figure. This is switch and it is R. When switch is open, the null position is obtained at a distance of 49 centimeter from Q. So they have given the distance from Q 49 centimeter. Now we are merely deal with this distance. How much? 100 minus 49 means 51 centimeter. Clear? The potential gradient in the potentiometer is how much? Now tell me, if this is E1 is how much? 1.02 volt. This is 0 volt. Let us say this is 1.02. So this is also 1.02. This is 0 volt. Clear? So from across, what is the potential gradient formula? Potential gradient is potential drop across divided by length of potentiometer wire. So we take this point is how much? Take this point is A, this is J. So potential across AJ is equal to potential drop across PJ. So how much potential drop across AJ is E2 and across PJ, see only PJ. So V by L, it is a potential drop per unit length. How much length is given? 51 centimeter. Now they are asking the potential gradient in the wire. So E2 is given or not? E2 is given. E2 is given how much? I'm really sorry. E1. This is not a E2. Just a minute. This is, in this question, this is E1. E1 value is not given. Only E2 is given how much? 1.02 volt. Clear? So 1.02, they are asking the value of this 5 into 51. So pi will be 1.02 divided by 50. 51. So what is the answer? Simply tell me. It's a very easy question. Just solve this and tell me the answer. How much? 1.02. You will make this like this. Take this as 50, 50. Assume 51. 51 1. Approx 51 2s are. So it is 0.02 volt per centimeter. So always read the question once, twice, thrice. For 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times read the question. If you are not getting the answer in one time, then again read the question. Definitely you will get the answer, but make your pen to be in motion while solving the question. Second thing, here in case of potentiometer, why we are not using voltmeter? Potentiometer is giving the accuracy. Accuracy of potentiometer is very high as compared to the uh, potential difference means voltmeter. Accuracy of potentiometer is very high as compared to the accuracy of voltmeter. But we can't take this potentiometer every place because it's a very big instrument. It is having a very large construction, but in case of voltmeter it is very small. We can take it anywhere and it is more fragile. Clear? So once again, thank you so much. If you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much.